Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to decide what anime to watch. Here are the steps to help you decide what anime to watch using your mobile phone. First, open the Google Play Store. Download anime streaming apps like Crunchyroll, Netflix, or Analyst. Install an anime app or recommendation tool. Example, install My Anime List MAL for exploring recommendations and reviews. Open the app by tapping Open. Log in or create an account. Sign in to save favorites and track your progress. Tap the search icon located at the bottom center or top of the screen. Use filters or search bar. Type genres you like, for example, romance or action, or use filter by tapping the filter icon. Then customize your options for status, progress, score, etc. Hit save once you make changes. Explore the rankings section. Go to Discover again, the top airing, or trending list to find high rated shows by the community. Read synopses and watch trailers. Tap on an anime to read a description, see user reviews, and watch the trailer if available. Check user reviews and tags. Helps understand if it fits your mood. Light-hearted, dark, or wholesome. Tap Add to Plan to Watch. If you're interested but not really to start, tap on the filter icon, then tap on Plan to Watch to save it for later. Tap Start Watching or mark as watching. Then hit save. The app will track your progress as you begin watching. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.